Today we're at New Life North, and there are some challenges to this little parking lot that I thought this one would be fun to video. After we clean this parking lot, the first thing we need to address are these craters. These aren't cracks, these are craters. Pastor Hazley was nice enough to power wash this entire parking lot for us last week, but he left behind all of these areas with silk. This has got to come up. You cannot seal coat over top of this. And this is what's going on over here with the broom and the blower. She's moving the silk so that we can seal coat it. Because these cracks are so wide and deep, I've decided to bring my tow behind crack machine rather than just use our banders. Well, we just finished striping this little church. All the cracks are filled. We put a nice heavy coat of sealer on it and striped it back in its current pattern. If you like my videos, please subscribe.